guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this product here, right here. This is called as the Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer. So this is not a new product, ये बहुत पुराना product है, but this is the first time that I tried it and I will tell you why I tried it, and then let's look at what my review is and if I recommend you to go ahead and buy it and use it. Before we get started, please ensure that you subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss a video from my end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, for my facial hair removal, specifically on the eyebrows and upper lips, I have used facial razors in the past, but I was looking at something to remove my facial, like the other facial hair, like on my cheek and on my chin as well. And I was exploring कि मैं क्या option देख सकती हूँ. Obviously you can go ahead and use the facial razor, the normal facial razor, but I was a little skeptical using that because I have a very sensitive skin and I didn't want anything that should react to my skin. So I was looking for a safer option, and this seemed to be a safer option to me because it is a electric trimmer. So obviously in my mind I thought that it was safer as compared to a razor. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but yeah, I mean for me that made sense and I wanted to try it. So I bought this sensitive touch from Veet. So this comes at an MRP of 2250, but generally if you buy it from Amazon or Myntra or anywhere, you definitely get it on a discount. मैंने शायद ये 1900 rupees का खरीदा था. It comes with a lot of attachments. This could be used for your upper lip, chin, for sideburns, for bikini underarm and eyebrow. I have only used it for removing my facial hair, so I'm going to review it only for that part. Let's deep dive into it. So this is basically battery operated, and also this is waterproof, so you could use it in the shower as well. So this is the package that the packet that it comes with, and you could keep all of your things inside. Let me just give you the basic idea of how this trimmer looks. So this is how the trimmer looks exactly. इस तरह का trimmer है ये. इसमें there's this button to start on and off, और जो इसका ये head है, this is tiltable, so you could tilt it to this side or you could tilt it to this side. So you could actually tilt it so to get nearer to the area where you're trying to move the hair. And then it comes with this head. This is for your bikini area, and then this comes with these two combs, which is again for your bikini area. And then this attachment, this one here, this is for your eyebrow. This is basically your 2mm and 4mm comb. And then it comes with a cleaner brush, so you could clean and remove all the hair that gets stuck into the device. And now let's get into the review. So guys, firstly I used it to remove the eyebrow hair. So basically क्योंकि इसमें ये tiltable head है, that's why you can really get to the nooks and corners of your eyebrow. In your normal razor, what happens is you get too scared कि आप कहीं अपनी eyebrow उड़ा ही ना दें. But in this case, वो थोड़ा डर कम हो जाता है because it has a very small head. So you know exactly where you're removing your hair from, and then obviously you have a better control in terms of that. तो जो eyebrow उड़ने का खतरा है वो इसमें comparatively कम है. So this is something that I noticed while I used this, and obviously as I said, you could go to the very corners. And the second thing is this attachment of 2mm 4mm, which is basically to trim the length of your eyebrow, is great. क्योंकि नॉर्मल जो फेशियल रेजर होते हैं उसमें आप वो नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आपके बाल ही उड़ जाएंगे. You can't trim the length. For that you need to get threading only done, but this gets that job done. So you could use 2mm or 4mm depending upon आपकी क्या liking है for that. For your eyebrow hair, but I used a 2mm one. So just one swipe on both the sides, or maybe 2-3 swipes, and then your length becomes pretty much even. So I really liked overall how it worked on my eyebrows. Next I moved to my facial hair with cheeks and then on my chin. So in my entire life I have never removed facial hair, like other than my eyebrow and upper lips. I've never done forehead or this or that, but I wanted to go ahead and try it because I've heard a lot of videos. I've seen a lot of videos and comments saying that your makeup does get better. It sits better if you have removed your hair. So I thought, why not give it a try. I wanted to give it a try. So I started with my chin, with my cheek, and you have to go in the direction of your hair. So my hair growth was like this, so I went like this uh, with the removal, and you just have to follow the line and just keep on removing the hair as I'm showing you on the video. And then I moved to my chin area, and then I covered my upper lips, the other side of the cheek, and there were a lot of hair on my face, and I'm sorry if you feel gross about it during the video, but yeah, that was the fact. I had a lot of hair, and that's why I was happy, because I could see that it was working. So yeah, I was pretty happy with the results because it did remove a lot of hair, and I could see suddenly my face was looking a little bit more brighter, because otherwise there was a lot of hair, so it looked darker as comparatively. So I was really happy with the results of what I got when I removed my cheek and my chin hair. And then I moved to my forehead, and that was also pretty smooth. I just also went nearer to my eyebrows also to clean it a little bit. So yeah, I was overall pretty happy with the overall results that I got for using this device. Now let's look at the pros and cons. So pro number one, since it has that flexible head, it gives you a very clear, sharp detailing that you can get, and you don't feel the fear of removing unnecessary hair that you don't want. So that tiltable head is a very good feature in this device. Then the second thing is the 2mm and 4mm combs, obviously, because it helps to trim the hair, the length of your eyebrows, which is not normally that happens in your normal facial razor. So it's again another edgy thing that you get in this device. Next thing is it is battery operated, so no wire, nothing doing. You can carry it anywhere, in your bag, in your purse, every time, 24/7, whenever you want to use it. Just have a battery ready with you and you can just use it on the go. The next thing is, yes, I believe that it gave a good finish in all of the areas on my face that I tried. The last thing that I would want to say is that the hair growth is like not too much. I was very skeptical that it shouldn't let the hair growth to become faster or something like that, but I think I'm already on my 9th or 10th day of hair removal, and I'm still pretty happy with what I see. I don't still see a lot of hair which I used to have earlier. The only con that I see with this product, and probably which was already there in my head and I expected it, but you still call it out so that you guys are aware. So once you remove your hair like in the growth direction, you will, no matter how close you do it, you will still feel those very small stinky hair in case you move your hand in the opposite direction like this, because you cut your hair like this. Once you move your hand like this, you can feel that there is little bit of hair there, but I think that is something that does not really matter in terms of your makeup, how it looks. It doesn't really sit badly on it, so I think it's still not a very bad thing. And in terms of the growth, I don't see that it has become any harder or something like that. I mean, because I have removed it for the first time, so I think in my mind I could still feel that it is a little harder, but I don't think that would be the case. If you remove from anywhere, I think you would get a little bit of because the birth hair are very obviously softer. So guys, that sums up my thoughts on this product. Overall, I am pretty happy. I am going to continuously use it, and it has become, it came as a lifesaver, especially during this lockdown where you couldn't go out and get your facial hair removed, your threading done or things like that. But I think overall, even to remove your facial hair, if you have sensitive skin, if you are really scared of it, this is something that is very, very safe. It is not going to give you any cuts or anything, so it's something that you can definitely try without getting worried. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit on the notification button so that you never miss a video from my end. Till we meet the next time, take care, bye bye.